Did IMT just halted? Or is there just no volume? No, never mind. Nothing's moving. CRTX. LRN. LRN is too pricey. CRTX, if it pops again, I might take it. What's the volume? 140,000. High is 6. 650 is a halt. Spread is 1 cent right now. I'm in. I want to see if it's going to break that VWAP and go into the halt. No. Selling off. But keep watching. It's probing that area. BBIG's red to green potentially. CRTX. BBIG is actually looking good, but CRTX is also not bad. I'm in CRTX again. I'm hoping that it's gonna get to the 20. Never mind. The spread is 8 cents. Let's watch. In at 13, in at 11. Is it gonna drop or pop? It's dropping. 17 bucks. You guys don't see my P&L. So down 17.45 plus the $2 I lost on MMID. Nothing's holding. The fills are atrocious on TOS. They're taking way too long. Yeah, we need to see a pop in the volume for sure. almost wanted to get in at 596. BCNX. I mean, another thing is BBAG, but it's kind of hit or miss with BBAG lately. It's probably one of those days that I should have just sat on my hands. $350 BBAG. CRTX maybe moving. I'm in. Oh, I'm in at 95. That thing dropped. Let's see if it's gonna hold. If it's not gonna hold 85, then it's done. $95 is pretty bad entry. $85, $89. Is it gonna curl? No, it's not curling. See, the exits are 88 when there was like 89. BBAG sold off. I don't see anything's holding. CLNE. What's CLNE's float? 168 million. What was that? BRF. Okay, pullback. Nope. Wow, the fills are horrible on this. Entry is 32.8, out at 33. BRFH. Man, this thing is chopped fast. CRTX, should we even attempt that? I'm gonna try. 81 is the entry. Is it gonna flush? Yeah. This thing, CLNE actually, look, went to the 38 and then 40. So CLNE, it moves like a high float, but it's 128 million shares float. $41. I'm in at 37.8. I want to see that 40 break into the 42 No. So 41, the 5-minute setup for a push higher, but the fills are kind of laggy on this, and there might be a pullback area of a 32 here. CRTX is popping. CRTX over 6. Six is a 5-minute setup. There it goes. Let's wait for a pullback. There's a VWAP too. Nope, it's going. Yeah, let's see if it's gonna prove itself. 615 is the high of day. CLNE at that 41 point. Let's see if there's going to be any volume that's going to pop. I'm in at 37. Let's see if it. I definitely saw a large volume, but it actually went down, so I can't read. Level 2. There's absolutely nothing moving. BRFH, yeah. The spread is kind of killing on CRTX. For market orders, that's unacceptable. The 8-cent spread. So what else is going on? Anybody's trading Pixie? Yeah, Pixie 5-cent drop just a second ago. PSFC. WEI, but I think it halted, right? Yeah, it did. Bond halted too. Let's see. I'm in at 01. I want to see that break of 5 and 10 of the VWAP. No. Why doesn't... WEI dropped. Stocks are pretty much dry. Stocks are dry. There's that pop from 604 to 611. I'm in. Don't like it. Don't like it. Oh man. So my entry was at 20 and I'm out at 18, even though the price did not move at all. I feel like with that stock is just, it's not good for scalping at all. BVOS, no volume whatsoever, right? Break of 3 on BVOS at 190. No, VVOS 6 cent spread on a $2.80 stock. I'm still coming back to this CRTX, but like, look, it tries to pop and then it's 8 cent spread. 12, 11. It goes from 25 to 10. So Tesla, we had what, four 5-minute candles. Let's watch Tesla for that break here, the 5-minute break. So I want to do a put and I want to do a 940. So my drop here, the 940 drop into 939, but it did attempt multiple times and it didn't drop. CLNE again. 340. I'm in. All over. Let's see if 41 will break. Will it break? No. CRTX. CLNE is just very, it's heavy. You see 41. I keep getting in and BSFC sold off. BCNX maybe, but it's a dollar something stock. $15 million share float on BCNX, but it's popping and dropping just like it's nothing. I'm in. It did hold for a second, but it wasn't nothing crazy. Like, how do you scalp a 1 cent move? It's just upsetting. So Tesla, we have this resistance. Okay, so it's bouncing around that, but I don't see, well, is it a daily? No, it's not. It's expensive. It's a $41 or $42 option. So you need what? You need like $17,000 of buying power. Marginable. But imagine if you're not on margin, so what, 5 grand? But then there's also that, the security cover, and so to trade one option for Tesla right now, you need like 20 grand. CRTX, keep coming back to it, getting slapped. It's just the spreads are widening, and what's ONDS? ONDS had news. 2-cent spread. $25 is the high. 3-cent spread. Is it gonna pull back? Are we gonna gain volume? There's a red volume though. Break of that 25. CRTX did break it. It was painfully, but it did. Let's watch 24 on ONDS. 25. $0.03 spread. What's up, firefighter? The ONDS got you? Yeah, I'm noticing it's kind of, it's spooky a little bit, right? It's very poppy and droppy. Let me try 75 shares on ONDS over that 24 mark. I'm in. Wow, I'm in at 19, which is not a really good fill. There's selling going on, so if it drops, Now it's dropping. The buy in is laggy, but the get out is okay. CLNE is 47, 46. Do you think we can grab something out of this? Let's watch if it's going to do anything. If it's a big level. ONDS. Look at ONDS popped. And then it dropped right away, right? It's crazy. CLNE, it's just no buyers. I'm in at 45. Will it pop into the 47? 48? There it goes. That was a tough to get filled at 47. And consider it was asked at 49. Yeah, I noticed. Look at ONDS. Look at that pop and drop. Because I would have been over the 26 into that 33. I would probably been break even on this trade. Maybe, yeah. So, look, and it's on a 3,000 share volume. I mean 300,000. CRTX is finally started to creep up. Yeah, and CRTX is the one that got me. It's just not scalpable with 8-cent spread. Unless it starts moving like this, like there's nothing there, you know? Halt is at 6.99. Are we gonna go? Let me try and see this time around. 6.49 is the fill, and it took like forever. There it goes. And even then, I tried to get out on the ask. My ask exit was 53, and then moved to 55, or moved to 58. So, and I didn't get filled at 53, while the stock was trading at 58. I haven't seen market dead like this in a while. I think there's no point in pushing. Alright, firefighter, I need to figure out how to give like points and stuff for all the people who are visiting, and like assign levels of seniority and get a haircut. Look at Tesla. I was hoping Tesla's gonna break that 940 and it didn't. Last April. What was last April? Yeah, maybe it was because I started to lose money, I think in April. And I also increased the size. Tesla had a 1 minute setup, but gee. Yeah, Jeff. Everybody's just basically probably taking a day off or just sitting at home with their families. There are a bunch of different news coming out. There was news at 10, right? Then there's 2 o'clock, and then the main was at 2:30. But I don't really care for that type of news, I guess. Well, I do care. I shouldn't say that. It's, you know, the low floaters, and especially if market makers are dumping money into them or creating some kind of volatility, that's not going to affect what Fed is saying. Look at CRTX. Look at this. A 15-second candle. That happened in 1 second. 58 to 28. So a 30-cent drop on CRTX. No wonder I'm freaking down on it. Tesla is strong, so SPY is gonna be popping as well. So everything is, yeah, Tesla just crossed the high of day. Yeah, I agree. I was watching some of the firefighter. I agree. The Fed meeting today is spooking everybody. I was watching trader recaps from other traders and just like live streams, and a lot of people were, well, you can actually get the sense of like a chat when you have a lot of people. And you know, the interesting part, you go into the Bunman's chat and there's a different type of people there. It's like everything is so scripted, everything is so just locked in, you know, like it's not alive, if that makes sense, you know. So that's why I like to go to chats where it's more alive. People, you know, talk about different things, and as long as they like not go too much off topic. But the thing is, you can sense a lot what the real traders are actually doing, right? Rather than you get this, oh, how do I apply for CMAG, or what is trader rehab, or I couldn't open chapter 11. Like, you know, it's not really helpful. And sometimes you get people popping with the tickers, but they're just, a lot of them, they don't know what they're actually trying to do. So, and they see there's like a increase in the ticker, and they send it in a chat, but then they never check the float, and then they never check the actual spreads on it, or they never check if there's a catalyst, or it's just, I don't know, it's a different type of, I guess, for each of their own, right? Yeah, that's what everybody's saying. There's going to be interest hike. So the crappy thing is I didn't buy a house when the interest rates were low, and when I had an opportunity. I was just basically lazy, and there's all kinds of life events happening around it, and now I'm regretting. Like I'm calculating my expected mortgage, and I feel like everything is just going up by $100 a week. Like my mortgage would go up $100 a week, since like last 3 weeks. It's crazy, right? And I noticed people are actually rushing into the housing market, and then they just snatching everything possible because everybody's scared of the rate hikes. You know, there's gonna be that regret phase, which I'm in pretty much, that I didn't buy the house. So I have to stick to living in a smaller place now. CLNE is being bought up off of those lows, the mini lows or micro lows, whatever you want to call them. Let's watch CLNE. It actually did pop. 652. 707 is halt. 655 is a 5-minute high. 200,000 share volume. Potential bounce off of 40, 42. If it can go that low. One minute setup is at 35. Let's see if 55 is gonna break. How the hell did you get 1.75%, Jeff? Just missed that pop. $50 CLNE. Keep coming back to the CLNE. Let's see if we decide to pop over 55. 53. I'm in on CLNE. I'm in at 52, which is not a good entry. Out. I'm in. Let's see if it's gonna be like a double bottom bounce. Let's see if it's more red. Yeah, more red coming. I'm out. I was hoping for the look at BKKT. Dang it. And that's the one that actually moved. Anyway, can't regret this anymore. You know, it's gonna be one of those. I move to BKKT and then CLN is gonna move, and it's just gonna be my day, I guess. So 43. Let's see if 50 is gonna break on that. BKKT. I'm waiting for another pop here over 45. I'm in at 43. Don't like it. There's no buying. Okay. No buying still. I'm out. Oh, there it goes. I'm in. All right. Thanks, Jeff, for bringing up the BKKT to my attention. Firefighter, you looking forward to rate hikes? Man, you must be in a good position. I mean, most of people are, right? Like everybody who had a house refinanced, and like Jeff, and they're golden. And people like me, or let's say you're just starting out or you move into a different 47. Let's watch 50 here. The 5-minute setup looks strong too. If we're gonna push over 47 into the 50, I'm in. Oh wow, I just got screwed. Am I gonna get screwed again? Because I entered at 46.5. There it goes. There it goes. I want to see 50. There you go. But it was 48 that I got out. I don't know. I feel I'm just wasting time right now. I don't know. I'm trying to get break even or something. I don't know. For today, it's just not working out. Nothing's working out. I think on Twitch I have to have 50 followers or something before I can start adding like fun stuff to it, to the chats. And don't get me wrong, guys, I don't want to distract from trading. That's the main point. But I also want to, you know, like days like these or yesterday, it's boring as hell. What's that 50 break? $48, 15 seconds. Is it gonna pop or no? Watch. Okay, I see a little bit of buying. It's indeterministic right now. 48, it's pulling back. I'm in. I saw a little buying on the ask happening, and I just want to anticipate that break into the 49. There it goes. And I want to see 50. Oh wow, I got out too fast. It's definitely moving. There's a lot of like commotion around this level. See it? No, it's not breaking 50. Wow, it got stuck at 50. There's not enough volume. Let's see if it's gonna go now. I see a little movement, more movement. $48.5 is the entry. It's slowed down. Red. I'm in. I'm in at 49.5. I want to see this break. All right, the stock is gave us 3 cents. You know, the interesting thing was real estate. You know how stocks give you flexibility to become a millionaire overnight, but so real estate is a different story. I think in the lifetime of a human being and a lifetime of a person, real estate only goes down once on average, right? At least for you to make it more important in your life. Like, do you care when you're like 99 years old? Do you care if the real estate goes down to make another $1 million? I don't think so. But if you're like 25, 30 years old and 2011 happened or 2008 and then 2020 happened, right, where the stock market dipped, that's a one time in a life opportunity. You know, it's a easy money. It's a you risk it once in your life, but you either make it or you break it. Instead of us sitting here every day and wasting 4-8 hours a day on this nonsense to make $4, you know, why not and go buy 10 houses for $100K in 2011 and sell them right now for $1 million each? You know, you're golden. Or let's say you dip bought in 2020 everything. Like I'm talking about Tesla, Facebook, Home Depot, Etsy, all these stocks. You just put in 200K into that, just like buying a house, right? And guess what? In a year, you would be set. I have friends who are in real estate. I have actually not a broker. He's an agent friend one, and then one is he flips foreclosures. Let's watch for BKKT to try again for a break of that 450. I'm not expecting it to go over anything else. Alright, so the quotes are very laggy because 53 was the high too, and I got out at 51. Look at this, testing 55, past 55. I was wrong. I was not expecting this. And that's the biggest money you make, when you don't expect something. Or not a lot of people expect it, and you actually do it. Well, I'm a break even today again. So I tried CRTX. I paid the price for it. CRTX, I'm down 18 bucks on it. It didn't work for me. It did move, but it's just not the type of move I'm looking for. The spread was high, and it's just not working out in it. And then Jeff brought up BKKT, so that actually got me out of the hole. But again, it's the slow market. Like I said, I wasn't expecting that move over 55. That's why I got out at 51. Oh no, yeah, 51. And that thing went to 60. Yeah, it's crazy. Freaking got into this mode view on my Twitch. And I can't get out. So BKKT, will it pop again? Tesla sold off below VWAP. How do you trade this? How? So let's see, BKKT is 60. Do you think it's gonna go to 65? I don't know. It's extended on 5 minutes, but it's hovering around that 9 moving average on 1 minute, so it's not really, it's not doing anything. That's what pretty much saying. It's just tiny moves up. There you go. Let's watch 60, 61. Here's the area. 3 cent spread. That was surprising because usually it's 1 cent. What is it? Is it a time for CNBC again? Probably. How do you enable it? So 61 was a false breakout on that 1 cent move. CLNE is curling. I don't know. Maybe 1 cent gain here. Oh, by the way, I did set up the options layout on my light speed. I know yesterday we talked to some of the folks in our chat here about potentially trading options. And so the funny thing is, I traded options last night right before the close, so like at 3 o'clock, and I used a demo account, but it was a real-time demo, and I feel like it gives you false hope, if that makes sense, because the fills, I was up $400 for sometimes, and I see there were no actual buying going on at that. What demo does is just takes that, if you do market out, it just takes the last trade. It doesn't matter when it happened. It could happen like an hour ago, but it takes the last trade, and that's what it fills you at. So that's a deceptive, like deceiving, right? Because there's no way you're gonna get that. So like volume on Tesla, like I don't get it. There's no volume. So 45 puts. So puts are moving. So 40 put is moving, and a 50 put is moving, and a 60. So 45, yep, there you go. 45, 50 puts. But see that setup, this 1 minute break. Look at the pullbacks. It's a $3 or $4 pullbacks, when in reality it really should have just went into the 41 and then bounced. But anyway, I wanted to show you the demo trades. So these are all scalps. And I mean, I know this is not really like the reality of, and I don't know, but this buying power, I think I only had like 20,000 buying power in this demo account. I don't know why. And I could only buy 1 Tesla option because I didn't know they were that expensive to buy. Because I started, like I said, like in the evening I was sitting and I was calculating, wait, why did it like cost me why did it cost me so much to buy 1 share? But then I did like, okay, 100 shares at Tesla at 47, that's $4,700. But then you multiply that times 4 because of the 25% margin, right? But right now it's even 35%, so you would, yeah, you definitely need some money to make money in this market. But anyway, at the end of the day, I was up, I believe, like $1,400 on Lightspeed demo trading just options. but I took a good amount of scalps. I think I took over 150 option contracts. So 60 cent a contract over, you know, that's a decent, over $100 just in fees. Tesla's popping again, huh? LRN. It's too expensive, wasn't it? Like $30 stocks. So last week I was also reading about different order types, because you know I've been using mostly market orders with Thinkorswim, and I'm aware of limit orders, you know, the extended hours or the day order, like that's pretty straightforward, right? What I wasn't really sure about is pegged orders. And I don't know, have you guys heard of pegged orders? $61 again. Kind of, it's not looking good in the 5 minute. So yeah, anyway, pegged orders. You know, I had a good reading about pegged orders, and it's interesting that, you know, it's not a lot of information about them. I mean, they're available information. It's just, I feel like you have to dig around because not a lot of people use them. It's too complicated or whatnot. But there could be potential for scalping, especially large caps with pegged orders. $60 still. That's 5 minutes setup. But it's not looking good. It's looking like it's going to sell off. A 53, but I was wrong last time, so there it goes. $58, $57. I'm in at 59, 59.8. Okay. I should have waited because I got out at 61. I could have got out at 65. It looked like it staled, like it got stale for a second, like at 61. So I was worried it's going to flush down to 57. It was difficult to read. Like when there's no volume, it's hard because the volume is so controllable. But that was a 5 minute setup. And you know, 5 minute setups usually work a lot better than 1 minute. And in this case, it just sold off. GDYN. Wow, nothing there. I wonder if we're just gonna get more movement after 2 o'clock, after 2:30 today. But even Fed, isn't it like gonna be an hour long or something? Even more. So it's gonna be until the close. Does it make sense for SRRA? Let's see 25 shares. It just doesn't. The 5-minute setup was there, but then you got a lot of selling here. Look at that move. That's a pop over 25.10. There's a 17-cent spread, 20-cent spread. It's one of those stocks that you have to hold into the breakout for higher move and squeeze on the spread. BKKT might set up for something. Let's watch, let's see how 5 minutes on BKKT looks. That high was 67, 66. $460. There's some buying here. So 462. I'll be right back. Yeah, BKKT did not work out. Oh man. SRRA. 25 shares just to see what's up. 15 seconds until, so watch 25 here. If we're gonna get some buying, I think we're gonna bounce here. I'm gonna get in and see, because if we're gonna sell off, I'm just gonna be out. 72 is the entry here. That's a decent fill on 25 shares though. I want to see if we're going to pop. It's looking weak. And I see no volume and the spreads are, so this is algos. There it goes. I want to see 90 on the bid. There we go. So watch this again. There's a pullback. There's more pullback. I'm in at 64. Let's watch. I'm out. There's a flat top at 25. So it's probably going to break 2460. But if it's not, then 25 break into that next high, 25.20 to 25.40. I wonder why he wasn't trading Tesla today. Alright, Tesla puts. Oh, look at this. This might be a Tesla put, guys. A 950 put, 940 put. The volume. I don't know. I don't know. Buy a put here for the break of 940. We'll see. It's a tough call. The low of this is 41.32. Because if that thing doesn't flush, it's way too spready. Confirm options. I got rid of confirm options. So 41. I don't know, we'll see. Let me launch another OBS because I wanna record my trade on this. But that would have been a good setup here, right here. But now we're at the low, so yeah, interesting. Is it gonna flush? Low is 42. One minute. It's low in volume too, right? Yeah. It's gonna be one of those trades where sell off. Yeah, it did sell off. So watch here. 41. So 41.50 is the low. Yeah, definitely a little iffy about this, because it's definitely, I could be down $100 no time. 150 bucks. Alright, let's watch this. 2 minutes till to 5 minutes setup. Still increasing in price. It's insane. Alright, 1 minute. It's probably gonna go. It's definitely an expensive option. So 5 minutes, so there's a resistance, right? There's a lot of resistance on this. $41.12. 41, so 40.90 and 41.12. Is it gonna go? Did he take it? He didn't take that Tesla move. So So I did take that Tesla trade. Do you guys want to see that trade? Look at that false breakout on Tesla. Yeah, this is definitely that was a risky trade because it could have very well bounced up. It's funny to watch other streamers. Like everything is so slow and boring. Everybody's just doing nothing. Tech sector leads on CNBC. Look, CLNE approaching that VWAP. Could potentially pop over it, but just keep an eye on it. That Tesla is disgusting. It was disgusting move downwards. I mean, there was definitely a push, but that bounce, a lot of people bought it. Yeah, that was kind of crazy. I was surprised I had enough money to buy that option contract. Still a little unused to versus the stock. The positions on stock are actually next to the ticker, but here they're right above the level 2 market depth. Wow. So now Tesla. It's looking good and weak. Watch Tesla. At 9:40 put again. 5-minute setup coming in a minute, but it could go without it. Yeah, I'm interesting if it's gonna push again. Watch here for weakness. Okay, there's buying, and watch. Alright, slow down. 30 seconds. I mean, it's not a bad 5-minute setup for sure. Watch here. Nope, buying going on. Buying. Oh wow, SRRA. What was that about? There's a increase in volume. Didn't hold. Okay, Hakusen SRRA. I'm interested. 24. Ajax 27. So as how is actually Ethereum doing? Anybody knows? Okay. Ethereum bounced back from 2180. So now it's 2600. So there's still buyers. SRRA, BBIG is under VWAP, but I see volumes kind of increasing on it. CLNE, CRTX is also volume pop. I'm hoping video cards will drop in price, because this is ridiculous. Paying $2,000 for a video card. Like, how do you build a computer right now? CRTX? I see a little popping going on here and there. Laser. That fake breakout was disgusting on Tesla. Let's watch laser. Look at that previous day high. I mean today's high. So $14. I'm in at 94. No. Flat. Instant entries. So 95, 1395 would be my break. I'm in. I'm in at 95. What was that? Why did it like... Okay, you got 2 shares in. That's what it was. No, I'm out. Maybe pull back here. I'm in again. I'm in at 95, 91.5. Let's see if it's gonna hold this level. If it's strong, it's gonna push through the... No, it's not. I know it's a higher float stock, I remember. Yeah, 200 million float. But notice the fills. The fills are like quick and easy. It's just when you read the volume, it's just not there because you think it's gonna move that stock and it's not moving it. I'm in again. I'm in at 93. I think it could do better as far as fills come. What, are you gonna drop? 92. No, you actually, let's see if you're gonna break that 95 into the 97. All right, 95. Let's go 95. There's no buying. I'm out. I'm in. 93 too? Really? Alright, let's go. Let's go. Wow. Anything else moving? LRN, wasn't it like from pre-market? It's $35 stock. Let's see if it's gonna move again. 94. Why not 93? Jeez. I feel like I'm giving back every time I give like $1 or $2 back. CRTX. I don't see anything else. BBIG, BKKT. So laser is the only one. It's very high float. I'm in. I want to see that 97 break. 95. Pretty much flat. All day long. Flat, flat, flat. 97. The 5-minute setup is going to be at 97 if it's going to stay that way. There it goes. Pull back. No volume whatsoever. CLNE. That flat top breakout and CLNE, it tested VWAP 3 times. So 37, 38 on the volume spike. I'm not gonna surprise if laser's gonna go. Pull back on laser. I'm in here. I'm in at 91.5. Let's see if we're gonna push through that 97. We're not. I'm out. And I got out right at the low too. The lowest possible low. Let's see if 90. Again, I got in at 91. The fills are horrible at market level here. Alright, I'm waiting, hoping this is gonna bounce here. No, it's not bouncing. And look at this. I got out at 85 and now it's at 95. What the hell? It's like, I don't know, how do you trade this? Let me see if this is gonna bounce. 92. Alright, are you gonna try for 97? The fills are actually above ask, which is insane. And look, it pops right into the red. And we are at 99 already. You're gonna pop over 13. I mean over 14. 96 is my entry. Selling. Lots of selling going on. CLNE. Do you remember that flat top at 36? At 37? HBO subscriber growth. Don't you get like free HBO subscription if you're wireless paying customer? It was like unlimited sub per premium unlimited sub. $13,000 share seller. There's still buyers. I'm in at 98.5. I'm out. I was out at 1402. A lot of selling. Let's see, I'm in at 03. Nope, I'm out. Damn. Of course I'm out when it pushes. 1530 is the halt. I'm in again. I'm out. 14. pushing over 20 now. That was a nice push. It's just very slow. I'm not used to this slow push. You know, and that's just I don't know if it's acceptable fact, but it is a fact. If something doesn't move right away, I get out. But in this case, it takes a second for it to move. Are we gonna see a pull, the 1 minute pullback? Or are we gonna sell off? That's the question, right? And I notice that you're late jumping in a breakout, because when you see that volume spike, you're already getting filled at the top on the ask. So if there's no continuation of that stock for momentum move, then I don't know. It, like, see, it popped to 16, now it's down to 12. Like, how do you? All right, let's see if it's gonna go over. See, I got filled at 14, and it was high 14. And I got filled at 9, and low was 8. Yeah, so yeah, it's one of those stocks, and I've been there. It's just it trades like large cap, like Tesla or something. You see, it went low to 97, and now it's back up to 10. But I noticed this about laser, is that instead of getting out, you actually could scale in at that pop, because the spread is so low, and I feel like the pops back up are large enough to compensate for that spread, and plus the average. Look at that pop. 17. It's like out of nowhere. How do you trade that? I gotta grab something to eat. I'm gonna be eating and watching. SRRA. High of day. Yep, SRRA popping. Halt is at 2808. It's a danger zone. Okay, it's popping. I'm in. I'm in at 84. I want to see for that second pop. Out at 77. RANI? I don't know. It's kind of weird looking. 2604. Yeah, got out way too early. I'm in. I'm in at 88. I'm in. Nope. I'm in. Out. I'm in. 82. It's not a bad price. Let's see if it's gonna hold this 79.80 area. There it goes, 95. But the bid's gotta move up. Watching for bids to move up. Nope. This is gonna push back up. No. It's funny, it's actually got me out on the ask. TOS has a mind of its own. There it goes, there's another push. Let's watch. We're gonna see more. Watch for green. It's holding 91. 15 seconds. I'm in. I see red. Shouldn't be in. $58. Is it gonna pop again? Ah, my level 2 slowed down. I'm in. I'm in at 93. Okay. So my exit was at 2608 when I saw 17. Not good. Laser. Maybe test highs again, but I just don't trust that stock. I like the fills on SRRA. They're giving me a little more confidence. But obviously we gotta wait here for the setup. Bitcoin and Ethereum are up today. I guess I'm not gonna see a lower price on video cards. Watch for that pop to that resistance line. Which is around 05, so if you get in at 95, maybe break even trade, but there's a chance that it's gonna pop through that resistance. So what is it gonna be? I'm in. I like the movements, but I don't like that it's not puncturing through 89, 90. I'm out. Still watching. Level 2 is lagging. There's no way there's no trades going through. I guess they're not. There's no buyers and there's no sellers. So I'm in at 84. Okay. And out at 14. I don't know where that came from. Are we gonna continue? I'm in. Those are some nice exits at 40, but what I don't like is I'm in. What was my exit? 72. TOS gotta be faster. Yeah, Ski, he was down. He ended 10K. He said it was worst month for him since November of 2020. SRRA. Lots of buying going on here, guys. 26, 27. I'm in, and I'm in at the pullback. Let's see. Are we gonna sell off here? Or we're gonna pop? We're popping a little bit. Exit was kind of not good. 26.90 to 99. I saw 20. Ski, how did you do, man? RT finished streaming? Yeah, RT is done. How did RT do? I was lurking around that Discord, but I wasn't talking much. So everybody's kind of low on profits, but $200 on this market, man. Congrats. What did you trade? 1 minute pullback on SRRA. Over 27. I'm in. I'm out. I just can't get a grasp on that feel. I click enter and I'm waiting 3 seconds for the sell to light up, because I can't sell until the platform actually knows I'm in a position. I took a Tesla option scalp. So that was my first real option trade. And those Tesla options are expensive. Wow, nice. So yeah, you're doing the imbalance thing. Did you and Thanos ever decided who's gonna be the main speaker on the stream? I'm just kidding, man. Yesterday 328. Dude, you're been banking it, man. But look at that SRRA, like that resistance that I drew. I mean, the chances of it bouncing was really high, but it didn't bounce. Alright, I got this. No, I don't want this. No, I don't want this either. There's literally no video cards whatsoever. Is this a TI? No, that's a non-TI. Yeah, I sometimes I read through the group chat. Are you liking the whole imbalance? Are you feeling confident with that strategy? How long you been trading it for? Look for the curl pop on SRRA. I just dropped something, but I don't know where it went. Oh well. Alright, watch that 2650 on a volume pop in 15 seconds. I'm in. Ah, that was look at that spread. The bids never moved up. Alright, well, it got me out at 53 this time around, but my fill was late. TOS is lagging like crazy. Yeah, I agree with you. There's no mama in this market. Not at all. Hey man, if you found something that works, congrats. Still popping. The 5-minute play is coming up at 75. I'm in. 75. $77, $78. Ah. I just wished it would have just pushed up a little. 77. There you go. 90, 93. I'm out. Got me out at 97, which I'm okay with that. Like, I want this type of moves on a $13 stock with 2-cent spread. That's what I want. That's what I miss. That was a 5-minute setup, and you know, it's a strong setup. Will we continue going higher? So GameStop is moving. Yeah. Oh wow. Wow. GameStop that highest, the 1006 break. Just doesn't move enough to compensate. You would probably need to take maybe like 20 options. Well, how much are the options? So like a 10 calls. Okay, $10. So yeah, it's 4 times less than Tesla. So, and it doesn't move $2 like Tesla does. Lasers, just I don't like it. It was not nice to me. The fills on the laser, they weren't nice. I like the SRRA fills. At least TOS is not screwing with you. Hey Matt, what's going on, man? Welcome to the chat. I actually, good question. First day of options for me today. I took a real option trade. Obviously, I traded it before. It was a demo, but took a quick scalp on Tesla on option. Options are expensive. It was like $44 or something. How about you? Are you trading options? What kind of trading do you do? this support right here, I'm not able to get a clear drawing on it. Like, I feel like it's somewhere around here, but then look at how maybe something like this. Look at popping again. The 5 minute setup. So 5 minute setup is coming at 27.10, guys. Watch, keep an eye. In 20 seconds. But the previous swing high on that 1 minute was at 26.59. So let's watch 26.60 into that 27.10. Alright, 26.60 passed. Are we gonna pop here? We are popping. I'm in. My entry was not that good. The 13. How are you getting filled at 13 when the price was not at 13? Let's keep an eye on it and see if it's gonna bounce. I'm in here for a bounce. Nope, I'm out. Get out too fast. Hey Matt, yeah, that's a good observation, man. Like yesterday, SPY was crazy, and today, look, a 450 call today is the highest volume. 430 call. So we have, I mean, check this out, right? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First 5 volume options are SPY, and then we have VIX, and then SPY continues. You remember that time when we used to have Tesla or GME being the highest in volume? For me, you would need to, because the SPY calls, the SPY, what, it's $3. Okay, so you can buy pretty much 10 options equivalent of 1 Tesla, but it's a little more liquid, right, in terms of movement. So like this break right now on SPY, 441. So how much are the calls? Yeah, they're 320 a pop right now on SPY. Alright, still watching this SRRA here at 27.15, 27.20. I don't want to get caught on the backside because I already lost 10 bucks. GME is going again. Is Nvidia is gonna pop? I feel like all the large caps are going. Nvidia, yeah, Nvidia and SPY are setting up for that flat top break. SRRA is not moving any further. Let's see this. Let's see where it's gonna go. Yeah, looks like SRRA is selling off. Yeah, I feel like it's good to be diverse, especially when markets are like these. And I know Bunman mentioned today that he's seen the market being slow as long as 6 months. Not really exciting number, right, guys? Tesla. But Tesla is looking like it's bouncing off of these supports. 1 minute play maybe on Tesla. How does 5 minute look? Yeah, 5 minutes not there. It's more of a 1 minute play. Pull back. Tesla 1 minute play coming up. There it goes. Let's see if it's going to puncture that 57. There it goes. That's a quick scalp right there. SRRA still under that. I'm watching that 27 on SRRA because we have a 5 minute. Well, that's a new candle. Five minute is not pretty, but it could go. You know, if we have a high pop, I'm in. There you go, 27. I'm out. Oh wow, it went further. Pull back. I'm in. I'm in at 11. Out at 34. Man, I miss those times when every other stock was like this, and it doesn't matter where you get in, like you still make money. Yeah, it looks like they're not holding. You see how it's selling off after the break? They're not holding. You see how it's so SRRA and the GME. GME is a pullback, so I'm liking the Nvidia. See how Nvidia and SRRA is GME 1 minute setup. Or was it 5 minutes setup? No, it's definitely a 1 minute setup for a quick scalp. SRRA, watch this. Watch 30 on SRRA. It's not a setup though. It's basically you trading a break of high. And considering that it takes 3 seconds for me to get filled on TOS. I do like Nvidia. If it's gonna bounce right now on a VWAP, this Nvidia right here, it's definitely looking nice, guys. Ooh, Did you see that? Okay, is it gonna hold and pop? Boom. Quick scalp. Keep watching. It might go. If it's strong, it might go. I'm not watching level 2 on that though, but I'm watching the chart. There he goes. There he goes. So Nvidia was nice. SRRA. SRRA might pop again. It's a strong stock. Let's watch SRRA again. But it's like a 5-minute setup. I don't know. It's a danger zone. But if it's a strong stock and it proves itself, then sure, it'll go. There you go. Let's watch 2730. Watching volume here. I'm in. Beautiful. At 41. You see this? It's holding. It might break 2750. Watch. 10 seconds. Pull back. There it goes. There's a break. Nope. Out. Pull back. I'm in. I'm in at 38. 23, 24, nope. Dang. I was hoping for that pullback catch, but that's probably the area to get out instead of I was hoping that 50 break's gonna happen. That was definitely not a good trade on my part. Clive, what's up, man? Trying to fish in the SRRA pond right now. GME is very strong, guys. That ABCD on the 1 minute, beautiful. Nvidia broke that resistance at like 31, 32, 33. SPY is also that resistance of 41. SPY is just a little slower. 1 minute pullback on GME. SRRA, I don't like it. I lost a decent amount on the last trade. Yeah, Clive, I feel like the consensus is more options and less low floaters, because low floaters are not holding and not not I guess not providing us with the profits that people are after. And it makes sense, right? You move away and then we can always shift back. $0.33 on GME. I feel like GME is just not a... It's a 115, 116. I took a trade on Tesla today, option. That was a put trade. Lasers moving. GME, I don't know. GME is just 43, 50. Ah, 59. What a horrible fill. Oh my god. Why TOS is so slow? Clive, Lightspeed. Here's my Tesla trade. I don't know, it's pretty hard to see, right? I don't know. GMEs keep going. So strong. That's where people make money in stock right now. Like option GME, why not? It actually moved decent amount. It moved a good $1.40, $1.30. Yeah, TOS. It's interesting. TOS options. Weren't they even on demo? They don't even get filled or something. But I feel like they're getting filled better on demo in terms of versus what Lightspeed demo was doing. Such a FOMO right now on Nvidia and GME, guys. FOMO on Nvidia and GME. Tesla. We might have something here on Tesla. Because everything else is going. Tesla's gonna, like, eventually people will start coming into Tesla. Little sell off here on Tesla. SRRA is curling. 5 minutes setup is at 27.14. There it goes. There's a push. I want to see a pullback. There's a pullback here. I'm in. No, never mind. I'm in. Oh God, I'm in at 13. It didn't. It's gonna flush. Watch. All right. I see a little bit of buying, but not enough. Is it gonna spook people? Yep, it is spooking. Ah. And these are the type of trades that get you. GME, break of high coming up. If SRRE is gonna pop again, let's be on the lookout. GME, 120 calls. Yeah, 120 calls GME, guys. There he goes. There he goes. Probably would have been a good scalp. Nvidia is also popping. SRRA, danger zone, danger zone, danger zone. 27, 14, 15. It's got to break that. I want to see volume coming in on SRRA. And maybe play that 5 minute setup at the break of 27.14. Because I see it a little like it's indecisive right now. It doesn't really have a direction. So let's give it a little. I feel like it needs a little time and it needs a little volume. All right, is the volume coming in? Selling off. Tesla 950 calls. Wow. That you gotta be puts, not calls. Watch SRRA here for a pop. But the volume is dead. Lasers going. There's more volume here on SRRA. $77.92. That's a huge spread. It's almost 20-cent spread. Alright, 95. There's some volume. Let's see if it's gonna hold that volume. "15 seconds before the next 1 minute. Definitely not the volume I'm looking for. It's very spready. I'm in. Nothing great. 96, 87. My fill is horrible on this side. 91. $95. $87. Is it gonna pop or drop? It's popping. Let's see if it's gonna pop over 27. 96. There we go. I'm out. It's a horrible fill. Because like how do you get freaking 2 cents out of this move when you have a 20-cent move? Jeez. See, the spreads are even better now. I'm in at 27.7. I'm in again. I want this to move higher. Okay. That's fine. I got 30. And the highest 30. The highest 32. So then I got 30. Okay, that's fine. What's a WLK? Anybody knows? Westlake Chemical Corporation. Bad news. Puts. Yeah, those are like something happened, right? Bad news. So puts on WLK. DWAC is pushing. Oh wow, DWAC, look at that, 71 to 72. Still not a lot compared to what it used to do, but good to see it at least. So SRRA 2730, but sold off. Yeah, probably shouldn't touch that. DWAC, it's going. So everything's back up. Tesla's popping. Actually, this is what I wanted to check out. I wanted to see how much commissions did I get on that Tesla scalp. Everything is in a little pullback consolidation, maybe lunchtime, and then don't forget about that meeting at 2:30. I definitely need a haircut. My head is like been itching. It's so hot in this room. I'm not gonna touch SRRA. Tesla's popping again. Nvidia is popping. Nvidia is nice. So this is the stop, 36.53. It's gonna bounce here. That's a day's high. So is it gonna pop through this? It's a very strong pop. $36.50. I'm in. No. I'm in. It's hovering around that 20 mark. So I want to see that 50 break after the 20. There it goes. There it goes. I'm in. 55.60. That's beautiful. That's a strong setup here. Continue watching that break of 70. There it goes. Missed it. I'm in. 83. No, 83 out. At least I got out flat, but it's just the whole. So 20, 37. There he goes. I'm in. No, never mind. I'm in here again. I want to see that 37 break. 4. the sad thing with market orders is, and plus lag to that market order, you don't know where you got in, so you're like, you don't know your risk, because if that fill was nice, you would just see it right away. All right, Clive, congrats on the 220 day. Stay green too. See you tomorrow, man. Tesla's popping that resistance. I'm in. Out. Shoot. That was a huge pop out. So that's a good lesson here. It's a really good lesson. That was a $7 loss. You know, it actually shows you how a stock could move. Especially the large cap like Nvidia. And look, now it's back up. I'm in. Break of 50, 60. I'm in at 42. No. Now it's going. That's what I was waiting. That's exactly what I was waiting. I'm in. I'm in at 86, 87. No. The fills are insane on the market here. Look at this. $97. $97. $74. I cannot get a read on this. $37.71. Are we gonna pop over? At 91, I'm in. Look at that pop. Well, so it's a lot harder. So there's two things here going on. On the low float stock, when it's strong like this, when you have the green candles so many times in a row, and it's strong, extended, right, and the volume's increasing, it's much easier to read these waves of momentum. And like this stock, the wave of momentum, you think it's coming in, but it's not really the wave. It's actually still continuation of that micro pullback. And what I'm talking about is this 1 minute candle here. You feel like you had that wave of 13, 14 over, and then you get in trying to see if it's going to break that 43 into the 50, and that thing just flushes down to 37. So it's kind of spooks you, because me trading low float, to me that's a sign of weakness and its continuation to the downside. But in the large cap, it's not necessarily the case. I feel like maybe large cap is down, and then maybe slide down more, and then goes up. Because I've been noticing that was DWAC. GME still doing this whole pop and drop thing. NVIDIA 1 minute setup. See how it's just floating around this area, and then it kind of moves up. That's exactly what I was talking about. You can't like assume just because it spiked it initially. You have to hold to see for to see the confirmation of that break. See, it's crawling. 5 minutes setup is at 37.88. Five minutes setup is in 1 minute and 40 seconds. And I feel like the same goes for pullback, right? You see the pullback, now it got bought up. You would think we hit the bottom on that pullback, but it's gonna go lower. Because it's just, I guess it's because it's a heavy stock, and like anything else, like physics, right? So if it's a heavy ball, it tend to continue going. Even if you try to catch it once, you'll have to like stop that momentum with a couple catches or whatever. Wow. SRRA all of the sudden at the high. Watch 27.35, 27.40. I'm in. Wow, there's no buyers. I got in at 24 and there are no buyers. Out. Now I remember that SRRA. No volume, low float crap. I'm in at 19. 1992. I'm hoping here for the break of high and a 5-minute setup. 20, 27. We need to go above 30. There it goes. There it goes. It needs to keep going. Break of high. 33. There it goes. That's exactly what I was talking about. Holy guacamole. And of course it sold off. Why wouldn't it? It's nice to catch those moves up. It's definitely satisfying. But to sit for a month, 8 hours a day to catch this move and only gain $50, I don't know if the satisfaction factor is there. Look at Tesla. Tesla, 64 calls or 65 calls. Volume. No, let's do a 60 calls. Yeah, there it goes. There's a. So we got 60. Let's watch. Pulled back, big time too. It's a triple top. Oh, there's a resistance on the day here. Phew. Good thing I checked. So I don't see it go that much higher. What is it? High is 62.27. 62.50. How am I down $10 on this? Yeah, this is so stupid. And of course I didn't record. I feel like it has this buffer, like a time buffer, where you have to kind of wait. It's not as instant as some stocks break. So for example, I saw that break, right? That 62 broke. And then I saw 63, and then I clicked sell on my option. But the option didn't move up in price as much. The option there was actually, I don't know if the spread was high or what, but and I wish I recorded it, because I do want to see the kind of the fills it gets me. So I was in at 44.05. It's 20 cents cheaper than it was in the ask. The 43.70 would have been really nice. But then the exit, so that's where I had the problem, is the exit was right on the bid. So the spread tightened up 25 cents. Yeah, so basically I just paid the spread on that last trade. But like even right now, I would have been up after that retracement. Anyway, I think I'm done. That was a good experience trading options and just trying to get a feel for it. So over 200 bucks today. Not bad, not bad. Alright guys, I'll talk to you tomorrow.